see that the feeling of reassuring a wrapped material, all in a grey color, but some elements look a bit, like not greatly integrated. All the thickness we find here also on the main screen. It's not top high-tech, even if the size of the screen seems to be good. Other stuff, you see that here it's look also shiny plastic, and it's moving a little bit. And for hiding techniques, very good to have this rail which is fully hidden, and also the seat housing covers. And also immediately we see that some part like this are very basic plastic, and the edge is rough, quite sharp, so when you're going to close the door for the first time, it won't be a very welcome feel. Here on the door edge, some manufacturing spots, and the quality of surface is very wavy due to many welding points, so not a great entry. Some good points about general status of material here. You see that they receive a chrome decor, so it doesn't appear poor, but like a bit like for exterior, lack of refinement in the quality of design to provide this great high-tech and richness feel. But all top parts are low gloss and wrapped with a leatherette. Good point, no shiny plastic on the top parts. And concerning console, you see all wrapped with this high gloss black, where you see fingerprints very easily. Very original gear selector here. Very easy to see, not very fully well integrated, a bit huge for the area. And here you see another time there is a very serious lack of robustness for